Okay, we are in week 14 of reading. This is your weekly overview video. You can see that our question we're focusing on this week is, how do readers make inferences? So this week we are going to explore some fiction text, and we are going to learn how readers infer. If we open this folder on Monday, this looks like a lot. Please do not get overwhelmed. The first thing you want to do is either print or download this graphic organizer right here. We are going to use that throughout the week. You will not have to upload it, as you can see here in the directions. This is just a tool that you will be using as we practice making inferences in the different texts we will explore. This video we're actually going to watch together during our team's meeting, and we're going to talk about how how viewers can even make inferences when you're watching a video. This cartoon will be used in our whole group lesson as well. I just wanted to include it for you here. On Monday, on your own, you are going to read this text called Penny Thief, and you are going to stop at the end and make an inference about the character, which is actually a parakeet. And after that, you are going to watch the Vocabulary Day 1 video and read for 25 minutes. When we go into Tuesday, there's quite a bit less here. In our live meeting, we are going to talk about the text, The Parakeet. I'm going to introduce you to a new fiction story called They Glow by Night. After our whole group live meeting, you're going to go back and look at this text again, They Glow by Night, and you are going to answer some multiple choice questions. These are very similar to some of the questions you might see in a testing situation. After that, you're going to watch the Day 2 vocabulary video and read for 25 minutes. When we go into Wednesday, during our live meeting, we are going to talk about the multiple choice questions you answered on Tuesday for the text They Glow by Night. Today, after our live meeting, you're going to go in and read this text called The Moffats. You're going to be introduced to a young girl named Jane. And after you learn about Jane and her experience with Mr. Bruni's horse, then you will go in and answer these multiple choice questions. After that, you're going to watch the vocabulary video for Day 3 and read independently. On Thursday, during our live meeting, we will go back and talk about the Moffats and the questions that you answered the day before. Then you're going to watch the vocabulary Day 4 video and read independently. On Friday, we're going to take a short break from the reading assessments because you guys have been answering multiple choice questions throughout the week, practicing making inferences as readers. So we're going to apply that today. I don't have the video here quite yet, so it will be there on Monday. But you're going to watch a read aloud, and you're going to listen and follow along. And I am going to prompt you throughout the read aloud to practice making inferences and to think about the character in the text, Those Shoes. This is one of my favorite stories. After that, you're going to complete a discussion board post. So there are no assessments this week in reading. And if you have any questions about the directions this week, please reach out to me. Thanks.